Welcome to our YouTube tutorial. So guys, in this video we are going to focus how to remove null values from array list. So guys, if you are working data engineer and you are dealing with null values which are available in your array list, so how can you do this? Obviously you can apply some trick. You are going to build some logic kind of stuff to remove these nulls from your array. So guys, please stay tuned with this video, and we are going to introduce a new function in PySpark, that is array compact. Compact function is used to remove null elements from an array. Okay, that means there is no need to write any extra code. This is because it returns a new array with null elements removed. This function is useful when dealing with arrays in DataFrame columns, especially when you want to clean up or filter out null values from array type columns. Okay, for example, if you are working as a data scientist and you want to create some categorical variable or binary variables, then this feature will be very useful for you. Please like, share and comment, and don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel. For a small demo, so in this demo you can see what we are going to do. So first of all, I am using DataBricks Community Edition, which is totally free. If you want to learn or scale up your skills in terms of Scala, Python, SQL and R, so this facility can give a very dynamic platform for you to skill up your skills as a data engineer, as a data analyst as well. Okay, now here first of all you can see I have already created a sample code for you, and this in this code you can see I am using Spark session and I am importing this from PySpark.sql, and then I am importing array lit array compact. I am talking about this function. Then I am creating a Spark session, and then I am creating a data set that is array containing with null elements. Let's bind this data, or let's display this data. So first of all we want to print show the original data, so I am going to use print original data. Then I am going to print df dot show and truncate equal to false. Run this code. So now you can see the data. We have a data frame having id and colors, where color column is containing null values as well in form of an array. Okay, so I am going to create a new data frame, df underscore compact equal to df dot with column. Then I am naming it color compact. Okay, and then I am calling my array compact method. the column name is colors. Column name is colors. Sorry, I want to display. So data after array compact. I'm just copy and paste this original. Copy and paste after array compact, and that is my df here. Now I am going to execute this whole code again, and here you can see the original data set we have, and then we have the new data frame with array compact. Okay, so here you can see with the help of with columns feature, function is used to create a new column, that is colors compact, and in this column we have called our array compact function. Okay, so here you can see we saw both the original data frame and the data frame after uh, compacting arrays to observe the change. So in both data set you can see, even though in a single data frame you can see the original column and the new column with array compact function. Okay, so you can see it is very easy how to remove null's value from an array.